These are the bullets and everything. Oh my gosh, it's really nice watches. I'm going through the city. It's taking cocktails. Look at this beautiful flowers. This is actually the middle of the lanes. Bubble type pots. Bubble type pots. I'll come that way. I'll do the flower cloud. There's small shops. Look at this. Diamonds, jewelry, gold, silver.
You shot off heads. I'm going to get your real quick.
Batons. That's actually a pub. The lightings. Camelot jewelers. You'll see like more jewelry shops. You'll see the highest prices. Gold, silver, diamonds, antique jewelry. Gold wanted. Look at this graffiti. I love Avalon, fine British fragrance. I love fragrance. The Isle of Avalon, they got like small. I have perfumes starting from 25 pounds, this 10 ml, and goes to 100 pounds for 100 ml. Now, oil diffusers, home sprays, body and lotion. Now, like different kinds of plants. When I entered the shop, actually, I was feeling a little bit different there. Oh, it's glazy, shiny. This lane is totally wiped. Made in the bronze. I'm making my way through the street now, which is North Street. The main street of the heart of the city. The Chapel Royal. Oaxaca. The Church Street is a white street as well. In front of the Swiss watch shop. Wow, what a car. It's in Indian. North Laine. Or like your Bond Street. This is a Bond Street on the right side. I'll go that way. And if you go along the street, you'll reach the Churchill Square. Usually, shop closes at 6 o'clock, around 6 o'clock. So it's 15 to 5. This is a Bond Street. And then later the street as well. Oh, well, the light has gone. I'm not sure what happened to the lights. There's a small shop bubble pop. The quite fast.
This year it gave me like my first.
Drop in this Christmas. Board whistle. Somebody is playing basri, which is flute. I'm not buying anything for the moment. I already did my shop. Look at the lights ahead.
But no, I've had the grad. Well, just go and drink water. Can you even
Fantastic. The Portuguese corner. We're walking along Bond Street.
Okay, smile.
We have Comic Theatre here. They play in new cinemas, movies, some theatre shows, theatre drama shows. Yes, City Cinema Hall. Another we got the Udin. This boy here. Perfumes making smell. Look at this. Home rugs.
Have a check.
In the street. Eden. Oh, that way. And that's it. And after this, we got a main lanes street, which is more busier than any other streets in Brighton. Short view on the street. I'm not quite sure how it's gonna be.
No, there weren't definitely down there. No? Oh, there's one at the end. Yeah, I know where.
They're gonna worldwide. Look at these shops around on both the sides. I feel like I'm walking through the alley. And this is one of the most busy streets in the Brighton.
That's nice.
There's a Crown concept store. Lanterns. A decoration. House decoration. Oxford books. Snoopers Paradise. We got a sweet shop. Caramella. Blackpool. Look at the skating shoes. Skating material. This is street skating. The small shops are really attractive.
10 a.m. on a Saturday.
Yeah, when
The Brighton has regenerated again with its Christmas lights. So usually as busy as like this.
we're gonna eat one.
And we're walking down the calm street, which is vibrant colors of the houses. Calm. And that's all. That's all. That's it. And I'll see you in the next video.